Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today we're wrapping up our Shotcrete here on the Hillside project. It was a very long day. We had about 8 trucks coming up and a lot of delays, closures, sunset, everywhere to get to this property. And let me show you here our pool. And also you notice we have some hoses there. That's our spa. And we have our timer over there. And that will be on a timer. All these soaker hoses are on timers, so they're going to cure our concrete. Basically, watering the shotcrete cures it. At least 7-10 days we're going to do. And then thereafter, we'll prep for what is going to be the waterproofing, the basing. We have an infinity edge over there. So on the other side, you see where all the equipment is going to be located. So anyway, this is just a quick update. Here's the spa. Here's the pool. Here's our entrance. Steps. Pretty neat project. And it's all in between all this vegetation right behind me. So it's going to look like a jungle. Everything is going to be pretty neat here. That's a sneak peek.